Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit Dark Drown preset using Lightroom Classic. Let's start edit. Temperature -6. Tint +6. Exposure -0.25. Contrast +8. Highlights -30. Shadows +65. Whites -43. Blacks -14. Clarity +20. Dehaze +11. Vibrance +50. Saturation -18. Next go the curve and follow these steps. Now go the color mix and first go to the red. Hue -53. Saturation -43. Luminance -35. Now go to the orange. Hue +14. Saturation -22. Luminance -6. Next go to the yellow. Hue -63. Saturation -8. Luminance +7. Now go to the green. Hue -71. Saturation -100. Next go to the aqua. Hue +70. Saturation -100. Luminance -90.
Finally go to the blue.
Saturation -34. Luminance +22. And done. Next go to the split tone and first go the shadow. Hue 165. Saturation 5. Blending 100. Next go to the highlights. Hue 94 and saturation 3. Then go to the effects. Vignette -30. Midpoint 20. Roundness 30. Feather 81. Sharpening 40. Redo is 0.8. Finally go to the noise reduction and make luminance noise reduction 10 and color noise reduction 15. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.